Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change language on HBO Max. As you can see, I'm on the screen of HBO Max, and after that simply click on this profile icon on the right side, as you can see, and click on edit profiles. And once you reach here, you will see all the profiles that you have in your account, and simply choose the profile that you want to change language of. So for me, I will go with this one, Maija, or I can choose guest. So I will go the first one. Click on this edit icon, and once you reach here on edit icon, you will see multiple options like profile name, content preference, profile settings, you want to lock profile or not, and here you will see display language. So simply click on this display language, and you will see multiple languages here. As you can see, Espanol and English US. I have these two languages, and let's say if you want to choose any other language, so you must change your laptop language, which is the default language of your laptop, and once you change that, your HBO Max language will automatically be changed to that language. So for me, let's say I want to keep it to English, so choose English, click on done, and after that simply refresh and your language will be changed. So that is a simple process of how you can change language on HBO Max.